Good day, sir. Today we're going to calculate the celestial bodies azimuth ABC tables. Here, the date is of the sun is January 11, 2017, and the ship's time is 16 hours, 18 minutes, and 25 seconds. ZD plus 8. And to get the GMT, you have to minus your local time 16 hours and 18 minutes and 25 seconds minus the zone description 8, so you get 8 hours 18 minutes and 25 seconds. In latitude, the latitude is east 123 degrees 53.0 minutes, and the longitude is north 10 degrees and 19 minutes. In LHA, to get your GHA, the GHA of the sun is 298 degrees and 0.7 minutes. GHA comes from the date January 11 and the time 8 hours. So here is 298 degrees and 0.7 minutes. In the increments of the sun is 0.04 degrees 36.3 minutes. In the total GHA, 302 degrees and 37.0. To get the total GHA, you have to add the GHA of the sun and the increments, so the answer is 302 degrees 37 minutes. And the V correction is 0.4. The longitude is, if it is west, you have to subtract it, and if it is east, you have to add it. So the longitude is east 123 degrees 53.0 minutes, and the LHA is 66 degrees 30 minutes. In declination, the declination of the sun is south 21 degrees 41.1 minutes, and its correction is 0.1, and the declination is south 21 degrees 45.2. So the declination, to get the declination, you have to add your declination of the sun and the D correction, so 45.2. In ABC values using ABC tables, in table A, it is 0.08 south. In table B, 0.44 south. And to get the C, if it is the same name like south, west, you have to add it. And if it is different like south, north, you have to subtract it. And in here, this is same, so you have to add it. So 0.08 plus 0.44 is equals to 0.52 south. And the azimuth is south 62.8 west. And the bearing of the sun is 243 true, and the true bearing is 243 degrees true. Same, so there is no gyro error. Next is in Jupiter. The date is 01 December 2017, and the ship's time is 5 hours 20 minutes and 21 seconds. ZD plus 8. Here you have to, same as in the sun, you have to minus the local time and the zone description. So the GMT is 21 hours, 20 minutes, and 21 seconds. In position, The latitude of the one is east 1 to 3 degrees 53 minutes, and longitude is north 10 degrees 19 minutes. In LHA, the GHA of Jupiter is 165 degrees 58.5. The increments is 005 degrees 05.3 minutes. To get the increments, you have to look it from the increments and the increments table. So the total GHA, you have to add 165 degrees 58.5 to 005 degrees and 053 minutes. And the total GHA is 171 degrees 3.8 minutes. And the V correction of Jupiter is 0.7. The longitude is east 1 to 3 degrees 53 minutes. The LHA is 294 degrees and 56.8 minutes. In the declination of Jupiter is south 14 degrees 10.3 minutes. The D correction is 0.7, and to get the final declination, you have to add the declination of the Jupiter and the correction. So the answer is south 14 degrees and 11 minutes. In ABC values, using ABC tables, in A, the Jupiter is 0.08 south, and in B, 0.28 south, and the two is both south, so you have to add the two. So the C is 0.36 south. The azimuth is south 70.4 east, and the true bearing is 109.6 degrees. In gyro error, the bearing of the Jupiter is 110 true, and the true bearing is 109.4 true. So there is a gyro error. The gyro error is 0.6 high. The next is the star mirror fact. So the date is December 5, 2017. Ship's time 3 hours 32 minutes 57 seconds. The zone description is +8. And to get the GMT, same as the previous two, you have to minus 19 hours 32 minutes and 57 seconds minus 8. In position, the position is same as the other two, east 1 to 3 degrees and 53 minutes, and longitude is 10 degrees and 19 minutes. In LHA, so the GHA of star mirror fact is 358 degrees 46.7 minutes. The increments is 008 degrees 15.6 minutes. You have to add the GHA and the increments, so you get 315 degrees 37.8. The SHA is 308 degrees 35.5. The GHA of Aries is 367 degrees 2.3 minutes. In longitude, so the longitude is east 1 to 3 degrees 53.0 minutes. The LHA is 79 degrees, 30.8 minutes. And in declination, the star merfolk do not have declination and correction, and it has the final declination of north 49 degrees, 55.4 minutes. In ABC values, using ABC tables, in the table A, 0.0 north. In table B, star merfolk has 1.21 north. Since it is both north, you will add the two. So the C is 1.24 north. The azimuth is north 40.9 west. The true bearing is 320.8 degrees. And in the gyro error, the bearing of the star merfolk is 320.0 true. 320.0 degrees true. And the true bearing is 319.1 degrees north, out true. So the gyro error is, you have to subtract, and the gyro error is 0.9 pi. That's all. Thank you.